Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this class we are going to learn how to find out the exterior angles of polygons. So here they given us some shapes. These are all exterior angles because they are there in the outside of the shapes. Here also some exterior angles present in outside of the shapes. How to find out? So the properties of polygon, it is sum of the measures of exterior angles of any polygon, it is 360 degree. So any shapes, all the outside angles, if you add, you will get it answer 360 degree. So here they given some shape. It consists of how many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a hexagon because it consists of 6 exterior angles, means 6 sides it consists. So that we can say that this is a hexagon. So here it consists of 1, 2, 3, 4. This polygon has 4 sides, 4 exterior angles. Then, so here they given us some unknown thing, that is x. So how to find out the x value? Using this property we can find out the exterior angles easily. So we'll check now. So here how many angles it is? So we'll take a first angle, it is 50 degree. Next it is 60 plus 80 plus 80 plus x. So this value we don't know, plus 60, which is equals to 360. So this is a formula we need to apply. Sum means addition. Sum of all the angles, if you add, you will get it answer 360 degree. Using this property, we are going to find out the exterior angles. Here, so first we need to add all the angles. 50 plus 60. So we'll get it a 110. 110 plus 80. 190. 190 plus 80. You will get it a 270. 270 plus 60. 60 to 100 and 330 will get it. First we have to add all the angles. So we'll get it a 330. Then x we have to retain as it is. So which is equals to 360. So here x we have to keep as it is. Then 330 we have to shift it right side. We'll get it minus 330 because in this side it is left side, 330 it is having a plus sign. So we'll move to the right side, it will become a minus. 360 minus 30 will get it a 30 degree. The value of x is 30 degree. Like that we have to find out the exterior angle of hexagon. So now it is come to this shape. So here it is 50, they given 110 degree. This is a x value we need to find out. Then what about this? They are not given any numbers. They given a symbol that shows 90 degree. Sometimes they given a 90 degree as 90 degree, or else they given a this symbol. So that time we have to understand that that is a 90 degree symbol. Then so now we have to find out this. So first it is 90 degree. We have to add plus 50 degree plus 110 degree plus x is equals to 360 degree. Why? Because sum of all the exterior angles is 360 degree. So we are written this. How many angles are there outside? All the angles we need to write, and afterwards we have to add. 9 plus 5, 40 means 140 degree. 140 degree plus 110. 140 plus 100. 240 plus 10, 250 plus x is equals to 360 degree. So we have to retain x this side, shift the 250 that side, you will get it minus 250. X is equals to 360 minus, we'll do the subtraction here. 360 minus 250, 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 5, 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. We'll get it 110 degree. So this way we have to find out the exterior angles of any shapes. For all the shapes you have to follow this procedure to find out the exterior angles. If you like a video, press like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.